Hi, I'm Harry McNally, and this is a rifle musket. What the hell is this show called? To make more rifle muskets than Springfield alone could Amoskeeeaaag? Why am I speaking as though I'm in a position of oh my god, this is only a this is very short. Well, it would be. Boop ba doop ba doop. Colt purchased the tools to make Enfields from a company that was Colt's contracts for the 1861 special model were ended. So they saw. Yeah, my God. The bayonet will interchange as well. They use the same bayonet, thank God. I would like to thank my Patreon supporters for their production and use of the special model of 1861 continued through the end. Continued through to the end of the war. Please consider liking this video. Amoskeeeaaag.